Hello, this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and as you can see, I'm playing with some chromes, some beautiful, God be with me, I don't spill this, some beautiful, beautiful, lush blue chromes. This came from Amazon. I can't wait, I'm just loving this. I got this a year ago for Christmas from my son, and these are beautiful. They are so lush, rich in color. Just rub it across the nail and glide it, and you have got a beautiful, beautiful, like sapphire blue nail. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? We're gonna jump in with the tip over here. Whoops. Shoot. Talking about getting it all over yourself. I've got it on me. I got it on a paper towel. Not trying to do all that. Just trying to get our nail covered. Looky, looky. This is a winner. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. It is, what time is it? 5:17 a.m. Yes, I'm filming in the morning. Like I said, I wasn't going to do anymore, but my son is sleeping. My mother is up. She's getting ready to run up work. Well, not run, but she works at the church Monday, Wednesday, Friday in our clothing pantry. So she's getting ready. She's going in early. Tap, tap, tap. Brush off your nail. Yourself while you're at it. I'm very heavy-handed. Don't mean to be, but I am. Something I've been working on for the last 5 years. But I'm better. I'm better than I used to be. But see, this little pouch that came in off Amazon, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There were like 20 colors, mostly like in the gold tones. But look how beautiful that is. Get rid of this. We are going to top coat with our Eye Gel Beauty No Wipe Top Coat. I should use, we're going to scratch that. Where is it? Where did I put it? Ta-da! We're using our Madam Glam No Wipe Top Coat to soak off, which is a beautiful thing. This is a very thick, glossy gel top coat. And you can wait and wait and then wait some more. There goes the drip. So run that down the center of your nail, down each side. There's a method to painting a nail. Long strokes. With gel, it's easier than lacquer. With lacquer, you gotta hurry. Lacquer, you can take your time. This is such a beautiful color. It just comes to life with top coat. That's one of the things I love about gel also. It just brings things to life. We are going to be putting some bling on one nail. I'm kind of thinking the middle finger. I don't know why, but I just am. It's just calling out to put there. Just look at how beautiful and lush, rich this is. The Madam Glam I was sent as a PR package because I didn't order it. I still have not had no communications. I remember when I unboxed it, I said I don't have a direct link for me for an affiliate. I still have not heard from. I have reached out through the website itself, MadamGlam.com. Also on IG, and I've not had any luck. They're not responding. Madam Glam, please get a hold of me. I need a PR link. As well, oh shoot, Batman. As well as a PR code for my subscribers. Shoot, Batman. Oh, we even got one up here on the nail that just jumped up. Talk about getting ahead of the ball. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. We have this part. I guess we're going to leave that there. Get my bling over here, see what we're working with. These are, I like to work with the littles, and these aren't the littles, it's like one up. Uno más. There we go. So I'm going to pop her in. I'm going to give her a full 60 seconds because I don't know if anybody knows Madam Glam, because I don't know, you know, like no. What's the set cure time? I'm putting them in for 60, but are they made for 30? If anybody's got the skinny, please let me know. I need some details. I really wish Madam Glam would contact me themselves. They have my address, and you know, because they sent me the pack. I'm loving this background. They sent me the package, and I love the no light top coat. The colors they sent me were beautiful as well. They were like fall pumpkin-y colors. We have 19 seconds to go on the clock. My bling is from a set off Amazon as well. We got 6 different colors, and I'm loving them. I don't have an affiliate link on Amazon. I'm blocked. I feel I'm biased. I know. Get another email. Start over. As far as that goes. So here we are, fresh out of the lamp after 60 seconds here. Look at how beautiful that blue is. I think that is just gorgeous. The bling ain't bad either, right? So let me comment down below. Let me know what you think of my blue, beautiful blue manicure for this cold, well, not so cold January morning. It is 39 degrees and supposed to be 60 today. Craziness. Cray. So crazy. But leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of my manicure for today. I know it's kind of silly, this, but whatever. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos. Anything important that may come across my desk, please give the like or a like. Click the share button. You share it with your peeps on social media or what have you to get my video out there. Have yourselves a blessed day. Thank you.